Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Just want to give you an update of what's been going on this last week and a half with the CNC Motors and our car that's been sold. So for those of you that don't know, please do your own research on CNC, but these are our opinions and facts that we've gathered, my wife and I, and this all started back in August 2020. We had a 2001 Porsche 911. We were selling on consignment, and you can look at the other videos, but basically that car was sold by CNC on October 31st, and the title was signed over by somebody, not by us, on early December. And since then we've gotten a DMV investigation report number. We should have that actually in the next couple days. It takes about a week and a half, so we got that as soon as we heard about everything that was going on. This all started last week on Monday, and there's about 56 of us now, and so some of us did exactly what I did. We gave them the car and gave them the title. None of us signed the titles over, and so somebody at CNC felt that they needed the money more than we did, apparently, because none of us got called, none of us got our cars back, and none of us got our money to this day. And now it looks like the building is empty, as you can see on several other videos, as well as when I drove by there to try to confront them. But yeah, sad part about it is that I'm not real confident on if we're going to get an outcome positively for us. I really don't know, and getting a lawyer could be probably expensive, and then they could CNC could just go bankrupt, and that would just put us further in the hole on this car. So I will definitely keep you updated, and so subscribe if you want to see the updates, and hopefully we can have something that positive news come towards our way. And very, very disappointing, depressed, whatever you want to call the word, but we try not to think about it too much and move on with life. But at the same time, we're still going through this. So if you know any free lawyers that want to be on the channel, let me know. Definitely could use that, and I definitely agree 100% that I should not have given the title. I'm sure there's probably 20 or 30 of us that would say that to you, everybody on this channel, that we should not have given them the title. So it's not just me. There's quite a few of us, and then there's people that have the car that they bought from CNC without the title. So it just total scam in my book. So they apparently knew what was going on, and they never had any intentions of paying us, because 5 months later, not a call, not an email, just an outbreak of all these people that basically got worked over by CNC in my